Alright guys, welcome back here to another video here, Detailing with Gary. So today, as you guys saw in the other video, I have some couches kind of off to the side. So we got these from my uncle and stuff, so I'm gonna just basically be cleaning them. So we're gonna be using this all-purpose cleaner against the leather cleaner from Chemical Guys. So we're gonna be testing them out, which one can get rid of more stains and stuff, and just basically see the 50-50 on like passes and just basically compare as we go. So before, on the all-purpose cleaner, I've used it in a couple of videos. It does an amazing job, and this is going to be a great test because it's basically white leather, or artificial leather I should say, and then all-purpose cleaner. So we're just going to be going here, and then I like to use the all-purpose cleaner just by kind of spraying it on the rag or spraying it directly on there and just kind of wiping. And for the leather cleaner, we're actually going to kind of scrub and stuff. So we're going to show you guys how to use both and how you guys could basically try this on your own, whether it's on your car or like basically at home. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we got basically the all-purpose cleaner on this side right here. So we'll probably start off with this one. We got our rag over here. So then I'm gonna probably start with this one. We got our 50 split here. So that way we're gonna use our all-purpose cleaner on this side. I'll basically do a smaller spot and then just basically move into the bigger side. But actually before we do that, I'm gonna just show you guys how dirty it is, so you guys could get like a closer look and just basically see the before and after. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, you can see all the dirt and everything from one side to the other side. So we're gonna basically be trying to transform it. Hopefully we get good results. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off with the all-purpose cleaner. So this one I like to just kind of basically, this one's fine. So I'm basically just be kind of, I like to spray this one kind of directly on there and then just kind of spray some on here. That's just me, but if you guys like kind of want to scrub and stuff better, just because this product kind of I like, just because it kind of works a little bit better. Just that if you do kind of spray some on here, like just like how I did, it kind of does leave like a weird kind of look. So I guess we could just kind of just spray it on here and then just kind of basically just kind of rub it in, I guess. So then already, right away, this one, I am seeing a huge improvement right off the bat. It just does leave kind of like not like stains and stuff that is going to be there, but just, you know, where the water, not the water, wherever the nozzle sprays it, where it mists around, it leaves the dot right there because it isn't spread enough. But as soon as it falls, you can see that like it's basically working, and it basically changes it to its color. So as you guys see here, I'm gonna leave this how it is right now, and then I'm gonna move on to the other side. But already that was pretty plain and simple, nice and easy. So now I'm gonna again kind of split this in half here, and then this one is pretty easy to use too. The leather cleaner from Chemical Guys. I'm gonna be leaving all the links for you guys down in the description down below, so you guys can check that out. So we're gonna basically be spraying it on here. I kind of got interrupted real quick, but spraying it on there, nothing too crazy, and then spraying it on here on our little bristle brush in here, and then just basically you can see all the dirt and stuff that's already coming off there. So we're gonna work our way this way. So we can get that nice look. So this is a great test to be testing it out in white leather, because if you, let's say for example, you have like black leather, you can't really see like any of those stains and stuff, just because again it's kind of like black and stuff, so it's hard to tell. Or even like on lighter colors, you know, it's kind of hard to tell. But this is a great test because, you know, you either got stains somewhere from like your jeans or something, and then basically it comes out kind of a little bit dark, so you can see that the product is working. So we're gonna basically be working all through the bottom here. And then one thing I like about this product is how it foams up so much, and then that just basically makes this product look a lot nicer. That one kind of foams up, but not as much, I'd say. But already we can see this here. And then before I kind of just wipe this stuff, I'm gonna grab a different towel so that way we don't cross-contaminate. Alright guys, so I got my towel right here. I usually like to work with like dirtier towels just because since it is there, I'm not gonna be kind of using a brand new one. So then right here, we basically got some results. I'm gonna show you guys the difference. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, huge difference. Right here you can see the kind of split. So then we got the clean side, which looks pretty clean. Right there, once we basically finish this side, we'll probably do the upper top here. I haven't cleaned that yet, so it doesn't look too bad as the bottom, because the bottom you basically kind of sit more here. But then we basically got our all-purpose cleaner here. It looks pretty good here too. Now right here, I'll probably remove the tape, and I'll do the more of the middle just because I didn't want to try to remove this tape here. But for right now, we are looking at it, and then this side is pretty dirty all around here. And then I would say this side is probably dirtier than that side, just because you can see it like it's darker and stuff. So the all-purpose cleaner did a pretty good job, but at the same time, I think the leather cleaner did really good. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, so these are basically the results. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of hit this piece right now with the leather cleaner, but the video kind of stopped for some reason. But I cleaned the leather cleaner with the chemical guys, and then the all-purpose cleaner on that side. So we basically got some good results, but I'm gonna basically go ahead and kind of do it on a smaller couch over here, and then just kind of split it. I know it's gonna be kind of clean and stuff, so they both work really well, which is extremely good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this small little piece real quick, and then we'll do the smaller couch. Alright guys, so once again, spraying some on here, and then we're just gonna basically kind of drag it, and then areas that you need to, you know, kind of apply more pressure. And then that basically just kind of cleans it. So then in some areas, you may need kind of more than others. But then I don't want to get too close to that tape line just because I could probably remove it. So I'm just gonna go along the edge here just because, since it is the microfiber towel. But already it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna leave that as that for that side. But right here, I kind of missed a spot. Once again, I don't want to remove the piece of tape and stuff. And then we're just gonna basically You're doing the all-purpose cleaner here. Spraying some on here, nice and easy. And then just basically working in directions. From here, this is a lot like easier, I'd say, because you're not worried about the tape lines. You can work from outside to inside like here. But for you guys, it'd be a lot easier just because you won't have the tape here, but for demonstration purposes. But then as we go here, super easy. I could already see the difference, all the dirt and stuff sitting on top. So we basically just take our dry side of the microfiber towel, and right away, nice and easy. Just with a couple sprays, it almost looks basically a couple spots here and there. They may need a little bit like deeper cleaning, but just already it looks nice and clean. So we're gonna show you guys these results, removing the tape line. So this is the leather cleaner side, and then this is our all-purpose cleaner side. So as you guys can see here, I kind of really didn't get so much just because I didn't want to remove the tape, even though the tape kind of does stick, but just kind of in case. But as you guys can see here, it's pretty clean. And then as we go here, it's kind of all the dirt, and then it just separates it. So they both perform very good. But one thing I kind of do like about the leather cleaner, you can use it with your detailing brush. So it makes it a lot easier to get, let's say, for example, down in these little spots. As you guys can see, it works really well because you're rubbing the product in. I should have done the same thing for this one right here, but they both work extremely well. As you guys can see, nice and clean here, and then nice and clean on this side. So remember, I will be leaving the links down below so you guys could check them out. Maybe buy your guys self some, so that way you could try it on your car, or either couches at home, or any detailing things you might have. So as you guys saw there, they both performed very extremely well. A little bit of product can go a long way, so you don't even need to use a whole bunch. But other than that, that is going to be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Maybe try this at home or either in your car and stuff. But other than that, make sure you leave a comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more content. Peace.